Good morning, children. Today we will do the book exercise of Nani's Walk to the Park. I have already explained you the chapter. Fine. So what we will do today, we will do the book work of Nani's Walk to the Park. So let us see all the book work. Class 5 English Reader, it is chapter 2, Nani's Walk to the Park. Okay. So first exercise is state whether the following sentences are true or false. So question number 1, Nani goes to the park every day. Children, we have read in the chapter that Nani goes to the park once a week. So it will be false. Second question, Nani takes a lot of time to reach the park. Children, as Nani is old, okay, so she takes slow and steady steps to reach the park. So it will be true, okay, because she takes a lot of time to reach the park. Third one is the Lane of Treasures had a lot of shops. Yes, children, we have read in the chapter that the shops there sell everything, so it will be true. Question number 4, Winky quickly left the Lane of Happiness as he was scared of animals. No, children, what we have read that in the Lane of Happiness, Winky did not want to leave the place. Why? Because he was very happy to see the dogs and cats when they clean their bowls of milk. So, it will be false. Question number 5, Winky called the lane behind the school as the lane of noise. Children, it will be true. Why? Because there were many children, okay, they were making noise, but Nani says that it is the lane of mischief. Why? Because it reminds her of Winky and his friends. So it will be true. Question number 6, the bookseller in the land of dreams sold new books for a lot of money. Children, it will be false. Why? Because the bookseller in the land of dreams sold old books for a very little amount of money. Okay, next question is answer the following question. Okay, children, let us do answer the following question. Question number 1, what does Nani do in the Lane of Treasures? Children, as we have learned that in the Lane of Treasures there were many shops. Okay, so obviously what we will do in the shop, we will do shopping. So Nani does shopping in the Lane of Treasures as there were many shops. Question number 2, what happens in the Lane of Beauty? Children, in the Lane of Beauty, we have read there that there were many beautiful godris which were made of old clothes, like old cotton sari, kurtis and all. Okay, so what happens in the Lane of Beauty? The people stitch amazing godris in the Lane of Beauty, which was made up of recycled clothes. Question number 3, who does Nani call out in the Lane of Happiness? And what do Nani and Winky do there? Children, in the Lane of Happiness, we have read that there were many street animals, dogs and cats. So what does Nani call out? Who does Nani call out? So Nani calls out the street dogs and cats from everywhere. And then what happened? What did they do? Then she pours the milk she bought at the marketplace, and they watch the animals lick their bowls clean. Question number 4, what are the children doing in the Lane of Mischief? Children, we have read that there is a place behind a little school, okay, and there were many children playing. They were making noises. And Venki says that, is it a lane of noise? So Nani says, no, it's Lane of Mischief, and it's remind her of Winky and his friends. So children, what are the children doing in the Lane of Mischief? The Lane of Mischief is behind a little school where the children are playing Langri, Lagori and Saki. Okay. Now question number 5. Had Nani named all the lanes in the city? Which lanes had she named? Okay. So children, there are many lanes in the city. So is it possible for Nani to name all the lanes in the city? No. So Nani had named only the lanes which were important to her. Okay, let's see which lanes are important to her. First, the Lane of Shops, which she called the Lane of Treasures. Why? Because she could shop everything, whatever she is needed. B number, what is the second lane? The Lane of Quilt Makers. She named it the Lane of Beauty. Why? Because the people in that lane made beautiful godris from the not beautiful, you can say, yes, recycled clothes. Okay, now the third one, the Lane of Stray Animals, which she named as Lane of Happiness. Why? Because she felt very happy to feed the starving animals. Okay, because no one gives them food. So Nani feels really happy when she feed them. What is the next lane? The lane where children played. She named the Lane of Mischief. Why? Because it reminded of Venki and his friends. What is the next lane? The lane where her friend lived, and she named her Lane of Friendship. Why? Because they were childhood friend children and they have grown old together. So they were emotionally connected also. Okay, so she called it Lane of Friendship. What is the next lane? The Lane of Booksellers. She named it the Lane of Dreams. Why? Because the old books were available to everyone at a very low cost. And what is the last lane, children? The lane with the flowering trees. She named it Lane of Magic because it looked like that a magic carpet of flowers were welcoming the people, and it was looking very beautiful, amazing. Okay, let's go move to the next question, children. Question number, children, can you see question number 6 is missing? Okay, so leave it. Let's move to question number 7. Whom did Nani meet in the Lane of Friendship? Okay, just now we have discussed Nani met her dear friend, her childhood friend, in the Lane of Friendship. And what did they do together? They whispered and giggled, and Nani gave her a hug while leaving. Okay. Question number 8. What can be found in the Lane of Dreams, and why is it called so? Children, Lane of Dreams means, suppose, a place where you go and all your dreams come true. Okay, so question is, what can be found? So numerous booksellers could be found in the Lane of Dreams, where they sold the old books at very affordable price, very low price. Okay, anyone could purchase it to read the books. Okay, so Nani named it as the Lane of Dream because books inspire us to develop our thoughts, give us numerous knowledge, endless knowledge, children, and improvise our thinking skills also, and help us to fulfill our dreams. Question number 9. Why is the Lane of Magic called so? The Lane of Magic is called so because there were very beautiful big trees, flowering trees, okay, which offered shade, and a cool breeze floated in the air. And what happened? A magic carpet made of fallen flowers were ready to welcome them. So they were very happy to see the Lane of Magic. What is the last question, children? Does Venki like Nani's walk to the park? Obviously, yes. He enjoyed a lot there, children. So how do we know? Yes, Venki likes Nani's walk to the park because in the park, as he reached the park, okay, he thought of all the places, people, and the new experience he had encountered on the way. He liked the lanes, so he asked Nani that if he could come along with her next week too. Okay, children, I hope you have understood the story so you can easily answer the questions given. Let's see what is the next one. Okay, you have to rearrange the following sentences in the correct order of the events as they happened in the story. Okay, children, what you have to do? You have to read all the points here and you have to arrange in order, correct order. Okay, so let us read it first, then we will arrange it. Nani feeds milk to animals in the Lane of Happiness. Second, Nani then went to the Lane of Dreams and chose a book for herself. Third, Nani and Venki reached the park at last. Fourth, a lady gave Nani a godri in the Lane of Beauty, in which Venki saw a piece of a favorite sari and a bit of his mother's kurta. Fifth number, Nani showed Venki the Gulmohar, Amalthas and Zarul trees in the Lane of Magic. Sixth number, then they went to the Lane of Mischief, which reminded Nani of Venki and his friends. 7 number, Venki wanted to go with Nani to the park. 8 number. Venki looked around and thought of all the people and places he had seen that morning. He asked Nani if he could come with her the following week too. Nani met and hugged her friend in the lane of friendship. And the last one is Nani first went to the lane of treasure. So children, what could be the first one? Maybe 7, because Venki wanted to go with Nani to the park. Yes, then where have they gone first? Nani first went to the lane of treasures. So maybe 10 is the second one. Okay, in this way, what you have to do, you have to arrange in correct order. Let's check the answer. Okay, yes, see, 7th is the first one, 10th is the second one, 4th one, they have gone to the lane of beauty. Then number 1, they have gone to the lane of happiness. Then number 6, they have gone to the lane of mischief. Then number 9, they have gone to the lane of friendship. Number 2, they have gone to lane of dreams. Number 5, they have gone to lane of magic. Number 3, then they finally reached the park. And number 8, what happened? And after reaching the park, Venki looked around and thought of all the people, right? So this is the correct order. Please do it by yourself. Okay, let's see what is the next one. Language structure, children. Synonyms. Children, you know what is the meaning of synonym? The same words. Let's read. Children, can you see here the old Nani? Yes, she is using a stick to work. She is very old. Okay. Synonyms are words which have the same meanings. Example, thief. We can also call him burglar. Angry. We can also call it furious, etc. So children, come A number. Complete the following sentences using synonyms of the words given in the help box. Children, can you see few words are given here? So what you have to do? You have to write the synonym of these words. You don't have to write the same word. You have to write the synonyms. She could finish her work due to my... Children, it could be help, but what is the synonym of help? Assistance. Okay, so first one is already given, assistant. Come to the second one. My grandfather has become, what will be there? Strong. So what is the synonym of strong? Powerful. Third one, what is the dash of his box? Children, can you see breadth? Can we write breadth? But what is the synonym of breadth? So what is the width of this box? Fourth number, I am very dash with my mother. Can we write open? Yes. So what is the synonym of open? Frank. I am open with my friend. Anisha is my pal. What is the meaning of pal? Friend. So can we write here friend? Yes. Anisha is my friend. The fox is a very cunning animal. So what is the synonym of cunning? Sly. What is the last one? Sorry, not the last one. 7th number. A very bad dash was coming from the room. So can we write odor? Odor means a smell. So let us write smell only. A very bad smell was coming from the room. 8th number. They came to dash a story. They came to narrate a story. Narrate means to tell a story. So can we write tell? Yes. King Vikram was very feeble. So what is the meaning of feeble? Means weak. He was very weak. She can complete any given task hastily. So hastily means very fast or quickly. So can we write quickly or hastily? Let's see the next one. Using dictionary, children. Here you need dictionary. Okay. Use a dictionary to know the meanings of the following words and then write the synonym. Okay, so first you have to find the meaning and then you have to write. You can write one or more synonyms, no problem. Let's see. Conceal. What is the meaning of conceal? Conceal means to hide or disguise. Deceive means to cheat or trick. These are the synonyms, children. Okay. Cautious. The synonym of cautious, careful or attentive. Eminent, esteemed or renowned. Drowsy, sleepy or nodding. Abrupt, immediate or quick. Okay, grammatically, subject and predicate. Children, in class 4, we have already done subject and predicate. Subject means whom we are talking about. And predicate means what we are talking about the subject. We have already done it, so I'm not going to explain you here. Okay. Write suitable predicates to the given subjects to make complete sentences. Children, can you see? Subject is already given here. Only you have to write predicates. Like Anand. Anand is a boy. So what sentence you can frame? Anand goes to school every day. Like you all go, but now due to lockdown you cannot go. What is the second one? Karnataka. Children, you know it is a state. So what you can write? Karnataka government works for the welfare of the people. Third one is school principal. Like this you have to frame sentences, children, okay? You don't copy this, you just write your own sentence. The school principal gave a speech to the students. It is raining heavily. The villagers are using the modern technique for their fields. My bag is made up of leather. Children, these sentences I have given, you can use your own sentence, no problem. Let's see what is the next one. Okay, so now we were discussing subject and predicate. Now we have to study subject and object. Children, what is subject and object? Subject is same whom we are talking about, and object is a part of a predicate. Let's see. A predicate further constitutes different parts. This is subject. This is a sentence. We met our friend in the theater. So whom we are talking about here? We. Okay, so it is subject. Rest of the sentence will become predicate, but predicate is further divided. See how? The predicate consists of the verb, doing what? Object. Okay, means receiver you can say. And the remaining part of the sentence. So we subject here. Met is verb doing action word. Our friend is the receiver, so he will become an object. And the rest of the thing in the theater, it is the rest of the sentence. Okay. Let us do few exercises here, children. Identify and underline the different parts of the given sentences and write S for subject, V for verb, O for object, and R for the remaining part. Let us see question number 1. The cobbler made me a pair of sandals. So children, whom we are talking about here? The cobbler. So it will be subject. What is verb here? Made. And who is the receiver? Me. So it will be object. And what is the remaining part? A pair of sandals. Question number 2. Sonu paid him the money. Whom we are talking about here? Sonu. So it will be subject. What is verb? Paid. And who is the receiver? Who is receiving? Him. So him will be object. Okay. The money. Now the money is the remaining part. Now number 3. Ram sent us a box of sweets. Children, Ram is, we are talking about Ram. So Ram is subject. Sent will be verb. And who is the receiver? Us. And a box of sweets will be remaining part. So like this you will do the rest of the question. Let us see the answer now. Okay, see children, all the answers are written here. Okay, let's see the next question. Okay, punctuation. Children, from class 1 you are reading about punctuation. Okay, so let us do some exercises here. More about comma and full stop. We also use a comma to set off introductory words. Children, when we need to give a pause, a small pause, we use comma. For example, walking towards the garden, he realized that his hands were dirty. We also use full stop in abbreviations, mean short form. Like example, AM, PM, you write for time. Now see children, few exceptional cases are there. Full stop is not used where? With acronyms and the names of places like NASA, USA, etc. In abbreviations that appear in uppercase letters like CEO, MD, etc. In academic degrees also children like LLB, PhD, MA, etc. After names initials like Mr., Doctor, etc. Okay, let us do the book exercise now. Rewrite the following sentences after correcting the use of comma and full stop. Question number 1. The long, exhausting journey seemed never ending. Children, do you feel we need comma here? Why to give pause? We can write in a full sentence. The long, exhausting journey seemed never ending. So please remove comma from here. At a recent meeting, the workers decided to ask for better salary. So at a recent meeting, after this we need a pause. So we will give comma here. The workers decided, we don't need any comma, children, so remove it. Okay, decided to ask for better salary. Number 3, Meera is the CEO of a company in Delhi. Just now we have read that when it is in uppercase, you don't need to give full stop. So just remove it. Okay, and write only CEO. And children, after a sentence, we need to give full stop. Has your sister completed MA? Just now we have read, again it will be in, there will be no full stop. So just remove it and only write MA. Lata is being promoted as the VP of the company she works for. Again children, VP, no full stop, so just write VP. And we need to give comma here because we need to pause, and after a sentence, full stop. Sitting in the park, do you think we need comma here because we have to pause here? So sitting in the park, comma, she was thinking about her father. Children, do you think comma will be here? No. She was thinking about her father. So, cross it. Miss. Children, just now we have read that Miss, Mr., Doctor, we don't need to put initials here. We don't need to put full stop. So, just remove it. Gina is our English teacher. So, after a sentence, give a full stop. Now, looking at the sky, children, no need of comma here. Looking at the sky, we have to write. So, just cross it and write, give comma here. She saw just a cloud of smoke. Okay, next see. What is there? Listen and tell. Children, we don't have any audio here. So, you can fill in the blanks as you wish. Whatever you want, you can write. But let us see few rules. Likes. So we have to write here singular noun. Okay, with singular noun we put singular verb, means S. So we write John likes the different colored flowers. Mohan likes the Indian Army. Again S is here, so singular. My brother likes to know more about the little shrubs with flowers. Nelson likes to look at the rising sun. Again S is here, so singular noun. Meera likes to water the plants. Okay, be creative. Look at the picture given below and complete the given dialogues. Okay, it is children's park. See what are the things. Many children were here but few elder people are also here. Beautiful flowers are here. Trees are here. Someone is flying a kite here. Squirrel is here. Butterfly. Beautiful picture, right? Let's see what questions are given. What are the children doing? So we can see here the children are playing. Next question. Where are the children playing? Obviously we can see that the children are playing in the park. Who is hiding behind a tree? Let us see who is hiding behind a tree. See, can you see a small girl is here? So a small girl is hiding behind a tree. Next question is, how many children are near the tree? So let's count it. First to this girl, 1, 2, 3, 4 children are near the tree. How many children are running? See children, 1 and 2. 2 children are running. Next, are there any elders in the picture? Yes, we can see here 2 elders are there in the picture. And what are they doing? So, what are they doing, children? They are talking to each other. So, let's see the answer. The children are playing. The children are playing in the park. A girl is hiding behind a tree. There are 4 children near the tree. 2 children are running. Yes, there are 2 elders in the picture and they are talking to each other. Now see the talk time. In the story that you have just read, you can see that Nani was very kind to animals. Children, we have read in Nani's Walk to the Park that she has gone to Lane of Happiness. Okay, where she has brought a packet of milks also. Packet of milk. Okay. See, it's written here. She used to buy milk from the market and feed them because she felt very happy to feed the starving animals, dogs, cats. So now divide into a group of 5 students each and discuss about how you can be kind to animals. Share your suggestions in the class. Children, it's lockdown. It's not possible to frame a group and all. Okay, you cannot divide the group into 5 students. So what you can do, you can discuss this with your parents at your home, or with your brothers, sisters, your siblings. Okay, so it is an activity for you. Okay, you can do this at your home. That's all, children. Thank you. I hope you all have understood. Thank you.